I like this. I'm gonna wear it like this for now. First crochet ever. Hey guys, welcome back to the Bambas channel. So today I'm gonna be making my first crochet ever with a freetress 3-pack bundle. So this is the 12 inches and it comes with 3 packs. I only got 3 packs of these 3 sets, so probably 9 each. But I'm gonna see how that works out for me because this is the first time I'm making crochet on my own hair. But I've always braided my hair myself for the past 1 year since I went natural. No one else has ever touched my hair. So, and then my natural hair is 4C and it's 2 years old because I started from that, like it was a whole. I chopped everything off, everything not local like my hair. I got a brand new haircut. And this is 2 years old hair. Of course, shrinkage will not let you do its thing. Anyway. So I started all back because I wasn't sure if I could do crochet, but I was like, let me challenge myself. So I went ahead and opened up all this, lose all these braids, the down part, so I can just make it in one loop. I'll braid it in one loop. And then I'm just gonna show how I braid the last one. Subscribe and let's do this. How to braid your hair. Let's start from one section. I'm not doing any particular style, so I'm not like intercrossing it. I'm just doing it all the way back. If I didn't get it right, next time I'll do something better. If I got it right, I'll just do it like this. I didn't know I could braid myself until I started. So if I can do this crochet, then welcome to the crochet world. I've always loved crochet, but someone else had to do it for me. I don't have a mirror to see, so this might be, the back side might be messed up, but it is what it is. That is how my braiding went. I always love this part of my hair because it's always smoother than this part. And of course I have these baby hairs that I'm gonna have to comb in later. Okay. So, also got this color. I just mix match. I got my simple crochet needle. Go ahead and crochet this up. Crochet. So I'm going to start with crocheting each line, and each lines I'll do that first just to see if I'm doing something right instead of going across. So hopefully that works out. I think I'm just gonna tie it around my finger. Yeah. Make sure it's open. Put it in there. Put the crochet here. And then bring it up. I'm gonna put it through. And put it through. And that's it. That one is done. Probably try another hair next time. It's done. And that's it. So this is a little difficult because of the kind of hair I'm using. I wish I was using something a little straighter. You'll probably just straighten it, just space it out. And then for the front, I'm gonna use a smaller looped one. So I'm only gonna bring out one, probably the top one, so you can have a more natural. And this is one line down. So what I'm doing now is filling up the ones at the back. Filling out, just fitting my back braids first. I think I'll just do all that and then do the rest. And then I try to twist it around so it makes the loop smoother. So it'll be easier to go into the loop. That's all for the back part. So I'm going through this line. So from there, backward to this line, and then I can fill in the rest. This is how this part's turned out. I'm going to be spacing it out so I don't want it so full at the end of the time. by the end of the day I don't want anything so full.
I like your hair.
You like my hair?
Yes.
Thank you, man. Mommy is learning how to braid by herself. How to make her hair right now. I am done with the second part. This is what it looks like so far, so good. Done with that part. So it's been an hour and a half already, and I got 3 more to go. I've only done like 4 braids. If I was a professional, this would probably this would probably go faster. I feel like a bunny. A mouse rather. A bunny with long ears. So at this point I have 1 pack left. I have quarter of that, and then that. So technically 1 pack left. I've used 2 packs already. And this is the last one, so I'm doing. I guess I'll be making my pattern here. Probably should have braided it a little bit. I didn't know I'll be doing crochet. Okay, we'll see how it goes. If I knew I was gonna crochet my hair, I would have braided this into 2, even before I started. But anyway, this is just learning the techniques on how to crochet. Then next time I can do better with the braids. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these parts here, if I'm just gonna bend it and just pat it one side, or but for now I'm just gonna be tying it. Just bring out one under the loop and tie it. If I braided my hair with an actual actual hair to braid, would have held the front of my baby hairs nice and tight, but I didn't. I don't know how to do that yet to appear neatly. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm not sure if I should pat it over here, carry it sometime like that. Like so. This is not the hair for summer, guys. So I started after 9 and I ended around 12. So so 2.5 hours just to put the hairs in. I'll put a little bit of edge control. Now look at it in the mirror. Back. I don't know how the back looks like right now. I'm going to trim some part off with the scissors. And then next time I'm just gonna get longer hair for the top part and the shorter hair for the bottom part. And after 2 weeks, I'm just gonna cut all this short so it can level up with this. I just want to see how I can wear it. The whole crochet part of it. Now that I see I can do crochet, I'll be doing it more often, and then I'll get good. And the next time I'm braiding for crochet, then I know I'm braiding for crochet, I'll make the braids a little smaller. I can also wear it like this. Regardless, I'm going to try to make it work. Let's see how I can make it work. it's shake and go, so that is what the back looks like. I'm having a ponytail. What do you think? I'm so scared of someone touching my hair because it's natural hair. So if I could do the braiding and take the crochet to someone, that's fine, but what's the point? I think I like this one too. This is also an option. You know, I'm only gonna be home with this hair or go to work, and I work in the hospital, so I end up covering my hair. Just go to work, come back home, nothing else. You can also wear it like this. You guys let me know what you think. It's my first time, and then you can also tell me how you will wear it if it was you. So I think I like this. Just, you know, takes up all the hair. I didn't want it to be too full, but I mean, now I know better also. So I think this is cheap. It was $9.99 a pack. $9.99 a pack. So for $30, I get to, you know, have some kind of look for the next 1 month. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do though, because my natural hair, I wash my natural hair every 2 weeks, but we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes for the next 2 weeks. I'll see how it looks, and then cut this off, make it a little shorter, and then we'll see. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on our next video. My voice is like this because I woke up at 6, so I woke up and then I started up after 9. I woke up 8, started, and then tried to finish it before the kids woke up, but now they're up and I have to go tend to them. But this is my crochet, guys, for the first time. If you're a beginner like me, I don't really recommend to use this freetress really deep coil hair because I had some tanglements going on, but it wasn't that bad. I wouldn't recommend it, but you know, whatever you like, you can achieve it. Next time I'll do something better. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.